Hi, hello and welcome back to my channel, Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well and still our giveaway is going on. So watch the video until the end and comment below what you love about this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram handle divs.homestudio, and that's it you have to do. I would surely pick two winners to share the wonderful hair care, skincare, makeup. I have a lot of products to share and give away to you guys, so don't miss this out. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just do it fast and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And today's video is going to be a pretty interesting one, so don't skip it, watch until the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, in the first episode of Hair Care 101, we saw what kind of scalp types every one of us have, and these are some are natural and some are prone to the impact from the environment. For example, we do smoothing, we do coloring, we do straightening. All these are the impacts which we load on our hair, which naturally was in a good shape or a form and really got bad because of all these external impacts towards the hair. So I have always felt that when you actually do a lot of artificial treatments to your hair, obviously it can tend to weaken. So I told you about all the problems that your scalp is going through. Let's see that how your scalp actually should look like. So let me tell you very frankly, your scalp should not have any kind of redness. It should not be itchy, it should not be flaky, you should not have any irritation and makes you scratch your hair more, and you should not have any pain or acne or cyst, and you should never have excessive hair fall. You can actually shred around 100 strands of hair per day, but more than that is considered to be treated, and you need to look forward for, and you need to even consult a doctor after certain measures what you took at right point, so that you get treated and you get a right amount of supplement for your body or to make your hair and skin better. So it's very simple actually to endorse or recommend or suggest products for you guys to use it, and to arrest your hair fall, to get rid of dandruff, and to treat your dry scalp, oily scalp as well. But it's very important for you guys to know what your problem actually is and treat according to your concern, and just not lamely use any kind of products that you get and is being endorsed on you. So how to treat your scalp? So you need to treat your scalps, different scalp types, on a different type of hair care routine. So first one is a dry scalp, the second one is a oily scalp, the third one is dandruff, the fourth one is hair fall, and the fifth one is a smelly scalp. So these are the 5 concerns or the problems that your scalp is facing, and you need to arrest each and everything if you fall into that category. And it is very important for you to identify what you fall into. Okay, I have 7 steps for you guys to keep your scalp healthy. This is a general healthy scalp routine that you need to follow. This can be followed by any one of you guys out there. It doesn't mean dry scalp, oily scalp, dandruff, hair fall, or anything of that sort, but everyone can actually follow this hair care routine. I'm going to narrow down one by one. Okay, the first one is that you need to use a very gentle hair care products. No matter you fall into dry, oily, or any kind of scalp or hair type, use gentle hair care products that does not damage your hair or scalp. I will surely mention what is a gentle hair care product in my coming up episodes of Hair Care 101. So don't ever miss out to check out this video, so that it is going to be surely helpful for you guys. Gently shampoo your hair. Do not scratch your scalp with your nails. It can actually damage your scalp and it can tend to a lot of hair fall. So never use your never use your nails. Just use your fingers, tips of your fingers, to massage slowly and wash your hair very gently, very gently. Okay, do not wash your hair often. Maybe if you are washing your hair 3 times a week and maybe every day, it's absolutely no. you need to wash your hair at least twice a week, because it can strip off the natural oil from your scalp and can tend to make your scalp more irritated and agitated, so that you end up having a lot of problems due to washing your hair often. So do not ever wash your hair often, and remove all of those natural oils from your scalp. It's kind of really healthy. So there are three benefits of antioxidants in your hair care routine. They control hair fall, they add shine to your hair, and they as well as controls hair breakage and split ends as well. So indulge antioxidant rich diet in your routine. Step 5 is include a lot of natural probiotics in your diet as well. The natural probiotics is yogurt. You can always try out traditional buttermilk and not the store-bought one, the one which used to make which one we used to take out the butter from and the remaining water. That's an actual traditional buttermilk. And as well as you can always try out cheese. So these are the natural probiotics you can indulge in your diet routine. Okay, try to use a scalp scrub as well, which actually is being trending these days, and you can always use a really nice natural DIY scrub, which I surely be showing you guys in my future videos. Stay tuned for that. So it can stimulate your scalp, and it strengthen your hair follicles and make your hair stronger. So you can have a lot of benefits by using scalp scrub, and be very gentle and use ingredients which are very gentle on your scalp, as like a skin. Even our scalp is very kind of sensitive to a lot of things, and it can tear off in damage. So use a very gentle scrub or exfoliator for your scalp too, and it's kind of important. Okay, that's it for today's video. I think we got into a lot of information for the scalp health and how actually a healthy scalp should look like, and how you can get a healthy scalp while following these these many steps. And this is a general healthy scalp routine that I suggested today. So next week we are going to narrow down on a particular one type of concern, and stay tuned for that, and it surely be very interesting, and it's going to be very useful and informative for the guys who really are expecting perfect solution for what you are looking for. And yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give that big thumbs up if you like my videos, and do comment below what the suggestions and what you would expect me to address on concerns and stuff like that. So I'd surely be eager to get down and let you guys know. And I do have pretty much hair care products I have been recently trying on. Maybe I would get them in a haul. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And that's it. Stay tuned. Thanks a lot for coming by, and I hope this information must have been useful. Until next time, it's bye from Divya. Ta-da, bye.